Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your Safari version. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the launchpad. For opening the launchpad, I'm going to click on this. And after opening the launchpad, as you can see, has an option for the Safari. So we have to click on the Safari. If you want to open the Safari from here, you can also do that. It's up to you. And then simply, as you can see, the Safari is open. Now simply we have to go here. And after going to here, as you can see, has an option for the Safari. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, all options are provided here. If you want to use other options, you can also do that. These options are related to Safari, but we want to check the Safari versions, and the first option is about Safari, so we need to click on this. After clicking on the Safari about, as you can see, here's in Safari, and here the version is written. If you want to check out this, you can also do that. This is the version of Safari, version 4.1.2, and the number is also added. As you can see, this is the version of my Safari. If you want to update this, you can also do that. Simply you have to go to the settings and you have to update your operating system, and the Safari will be automatically updated. So in this way, you can check your Safari version. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check this version. So see you guys in the next video.